In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for level 2 options trading on Webull. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so level 2 options approval on Webull allows you to trade more advanced strategies than level 1. So in order to enable this, we need to open up the Webull app or desktop platform, then log into your account on the Webull mobile app or desktop site. Then from here, we need to go to the options application section. So tap the Webull icon, bottom middle of mobile, select more, tap options trading under trading assets. Or if you're on desktop, go to your profile icon, account settings, trading access, options. Step 3, apply for options trading. So start the options trading application. When asked for trading level, select level 2. Webull will determine if you're eligible based on your responses. Then step 4, complete the questionnaire. So Webull asks for trading experience, especially with options, investment goals, income network, and risk tolerance. Also knowledge of specific option strategies. Answer these questions honestly, but having experience helps increase the chances quite a bit. So the more experience you got, the more chance you're going to be accepted for level 2. Step 5, submit and wait for a response or review. After submission, Webull will review your answers. Approval usually takes up to 2 business days. You'll get a notification if approved or denied. Alright, so a quick rundown of what level 2 includes. So once approved for level 2, you can buy calls and puts, trade straddles, strangles, and collars, use protective puts, but you cannot sell naked options yet. That requires level 3. Alright, I've got some tips to increase your approval odds. So select speculative or growth objectives, indicate moderate or high risk tolerance, show some prior options experience if you have it, make sure your financials reflect the ability to manage risk as well.